This is a tutorial how to install the Vimeo app on your Mac OS, and once you go to the website it will prompt you to install within your Mac App Store, and then obviously you put your username and account information so you can download it to your Mac. And take me just a second to do that. And then obviously once you put your account information, it will download it and install it for you. And we're going to go through the whole process. And there you go, it's installed. We're going to go ahead and close out the Mac App Store. Go to the Vimeo application on the Mac, where you're going to be prompted to put in your account information and also asking if you want to connect it with Final Cut Pro 10. And then when you open up that, then it'll ask, Mac OS will ask you to allow it to connect it. Now once doing so, you must restart Final Cut Pro 10 if you have it running. Then here you are prompted to put in your Vimeo account information, allowing the app to connect to the website prior to uploading. And I got that blurred out. Take just a second. And there we are, we're connected, and within your Final Cut Pro 10, once you restart Final Cut Pro 10, you'll see that you have two Vimeo selections, one for your standard H.264, which the Final Cut Pro 10 uploads to Vimeo for you, and the advanced feature that takes the video from Final Cut Pro 10 to the Vimeo app, allowing you to get more advanced codecs such as ProRes, uncompressed, and XD-Cam, for example. And then we're going to go ahead and allow that. Then it gives you another prompt for what titles and other account settings you want to use prior to uploading. And there we go. And then once Final Cut Pro 10 renders it out, it sends it to the Vimeo app, which we have in the menu bar right now. If you look in the lower hand side, is actually uploading to Vimeo from the Vimeo app or the Vimeo website. Once you do so, it will finish uploading. It will go ahead and do the final render for use for all your viewers on your Vimeo account. And thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and see you guys later.